Hey, what's up YouTube? Rona Pirate here. Just got done making my first rack. Never made one of these guys before, so I figured I'd try my hand at it. Got tired of just taking all my damn cardboard tubes and screwing them to a board and calling it good, so decided to try my hand at one of these newfangled racks here. So this is what I came up with. Decided to go with a 6-shot rack instead of a 10-shot, just kind of keep it small, keep it affordable. Never done this before, so... But this is what I came up with, man. This is your typical DR11 tube rack. I got some 2x3s for the sides and the base down there. I used some, I think these are 1x3 or 1x4 for the side rails, and then little 1x2s for the spacers. Put 1-inch spacers on all these. But let's see, held the spacers on with some little finishing nails. Screws were a little bit too big, so I didn't even want to try it. And then everything else is secured on there with really good wood screws. Got 4 on the bottom rail and then 2 on each side. And over here, 2 more down there. Typical rack with spacers. Kind of see down in there. This is actually a really tight rack. I just kind of eyeballed everything and hand sawed everything because I'm cheap and I don't have power tools except for a drill. But you know how it goes. Turned out really well considering I didn't have any plans. I didn't do any kind of preparation or anything. I just kind of eyeballed it, cut it, and put it together. And I'd have to say it turned out pretty good. Anyway, I got another one I'm making over here. This is going to be another DR11 rack, and then I got my big boy over here for my 3-inch tubes. It's going to be a 4-shot 3-inch tube rack with some spacers on there. This rack, you got to use the 2x4s for your side rails and your base, and I use the same 1x2 for the spacers. I ran out of my side rails there, the wood for my side rails, so I'm going to have to go down and buy another piece of wood for that. But anyway, I'll show you that rack when I get it done. I'm sure you guys have all seen hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of racks, maybe even thousands and thousands of racks, so nothing new for a lot of you guys, but hey, I'm pretty happy, pretty proud. It's always fun to build something with your own 2 hands and have it turn out good. But anyway, kind of look at my workbench there. It's a mess. Lots of stuff. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just look at some of the racks I'm building. Anyway, I'll get back to you guys later on this week with my new collectible video. So, hope you enjoyed that. Rock the block, guys.